Get 3 months free. That's expressvpn.com/Dan, expressvpn.com/Dan.
Dan Bongino.
West Coast Men's Health has helped thousands of men overcome erectile dysfunction and Peyronie's disease using acoustic wave therapy. No pills and no shots. But it's not our success stories that separate us from the other clinics. It's how we interact with our patients. From your first call, our medical staff will take the time to answer your questions, whether it's about your ED, how our treatment works, or even about the cost. Our goal is to inform and educate you so you're comfortable when you come in for your first visit. And right now, we're offering a free treatment for just coming in. That's right, you can try this treatment at no cost to make sure it's right for you. So if you're tired of frustrating nights, you're ready to get off Viagra and put an end to your ED or Peyronie's disease, then give West Coast Men's Health a call today.
With clinics in San Mateo and Sacramento, call West Coast Men's Health at 650-649-7944. That's 650-649-7944. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
Do you suffer from any type of chronic neck or back pain? Whether it's a bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone-on-bone arthritis. You've probably tried most doctors and get little relief, or are told dangerous medications and surgeries are your only option. Dr. John Filippini, the Danville Disc Doctor, has more options for your treatment than ever before. With state-of-the-art equipment and an integrative medical office, you can have 80 to 100% relief within a few treatments to a couple of months. Dr. Filippini has helped thousands of patients, but he's never seen such great results as he has in the last couple of years. This is due to individualized treatment programs that fit each patient's needs and budget. Depending on the treatment, insurance may cover some or even all of your program. Call Dr. Filippini at 925-999-4067 to get in on his $39 exam special, or visit DanvilleDiscDoctor.com for more information. That's 925-999-4067 or DanvilleDiscDoctor.com.
Jackson! Yes, sir! In my office!
Yes, sir.
Explain this.
S&G Carpet?
Mhm.
Oh, S&G Carpet sells carpet, waterproof core, hardwood, and laminate.
Yeah, I mean this.
Tax holiday sale?
We're tax collectors, Jackson.
Yes, sir.
That's impossible.
It's not, sir.
What?
This month during S&G's tax holiday sale, they'll give you 20% off select flooring.
They will?
And pay the sales tax.
That's illegal.
No, it's not, sir.
It's not?
No.
Oh. Well, then make it a state holiday.
Sir, S&G's tax holiday sale just means S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan.
The country?
Karastan makes luxury flooring, sir.
Oh. Well, how do they get
I'll be in
everyone?
my office,
That's
sir.
a big country.
Not
How
a
do they-
country.
During November's tax holiday sale, S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan. Plus, get their no surprise guarantee and promise to beat any written estimate by 10%.
S&G more than carpet.
Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Time to get something off your mind? Call 8444-THE-USA and let Dan know. 844-484-3872. The Dan Bongino Show.
So, the cat's away, the mice will play. So, producer Jim is here if you're watching on Fox Nation. He slimmed down, Jim. He looks like a bodybuilder, right? He's in there. Mike is in the studio playing Captain Kirk, Man in the Con. What does he do? The minute Jim steps away, Mike fleeces the Pantera moment for the week. For those of you who are your P1 listeners, our P1 listeners, you know the Pantera story. It's famous, if not infamous. Jim, he beat you. You can't play Pantera again. Sorry, you got to wait till next week.
on the ball, though.
Yeah, that is being on the ball. And we got the Dick Johnson salute in for the week.
Yes.
But Mike, we haven't played Joan Jett yet for the week. You better get that in. Yeah, because I'm off tomorrow. I need the Joan Jett. Folks, the inventor and CEO of MyPillow is always looking for ways to solve everyday problems. You ever picked up a towel set because it felt soft in the store, but you go to use it and it doesn't absorb anything? It's basically a towel, it's even you have to dry. That's why MyPillow has developed the MyPillow towel. The towels that work. I know, it's mind-blowing. Towels that actually dry you. The 6-piece towel set includes 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. They come in a variety of colors, and right now you can receive a 6-piece set for only $39.96 with promo code Bongino. Go to MyPillow.com now and click on the Radio Listeners Special. MyPillow products come with a 10-year warranty, have their 60-day money-back guarantee as well. To receive this amazing offer on the 6-piece MyPillow towel set, just go to MyPillow.com, click on the radio listener special page, and enter promo code Bongino or call 800-837-0459. It's MyPillow.com, click on the radio listener special, and use promo code Bongino.
Dan Bongino.
We're live from the Patriot Awards. I've had just an amazing time today. It's so good to get with the team here. I got my team from Westwood, my team from Fox, and my podcast team all here at the same time, which never happens. And I'm reading all your feedback on Twitter and Truth and on my Facebook where you're sending messages. And I really, really appreciate it. We've had a bunch of guests. We had Pete Hegseth, we had Tyrus, we had Joey Jones, we had Dave Rubin. I've got more coming up for you. Half an hour is not over. I still got time with you here. I got my buddy Jimmy Fallon coming up from Fox, which if you haven't heard him, you have no idea what you're missing. I was taping him. Give you a little preview of my Fox show this weekend. So I was walking around the Patriot Awards. It's packed, right, Jim? Oh, yeah. It's crowded down here. No, and meanwhile, the event doesn't even start for another few hours, right? We got like 5 hours. It's packed. So I grabbed Sabrina. She's our Fox producer, and I said, well, didn't grab her like hard or anything. Sabrina, I mean, that sounds so ridiculous. I said, we got to do some man on the street, like interview some people. So we were walking around, and I see Jimmy first. So I'm like, let's grab Jimmy. So I grabbed Fowler from Fox, and I'm like, sir, what's your name? He goes, Greg Gutfeld. I said, hey, Greg Gutfeld. You don't look like Greg Gutfeld. And the segment, I promise you, went off the rails quickly after that. I asked him about Hunter Biden being the smartest man Joe Biden has ever met. You have to listen to the Saturday show to get the answer. But it is one of the most, I'm going to say bananas for the fourth time today, bananas interviews you'll ever hear on my Saturday show. I got Jimmy coming up next. We'll talk about midterm. Pelosi stepping aside. So much to talk about. We'll be right back. If babies in their mother's wombs could speak, what would they say? Hi, this is Dan Bongino. Did you know an unborn baby's heart is already beating at just 3 weeks? By 5 weeks, you can hear that heartbeat on ultrasound. And that's where preborn pregnancy clinics step in. The heartbeat is the voice of the preborn, and you can be a big part of sharing their voice in a big way. Preborn is the country's largest provider of free ultrasound, and they've rescued over 188,000 babies' lives by introducing moms to their unborn babies. For just $28, you can provide 1 free ultrasound to help save a baby's life. $140 will help to rescue 5 babies. And now to a match, your gift is double. Just dial #250 on your cell and say keyword baby. That's #250 keyword baby, or visit preborn.com/Bongino. That's preborn.com/Bongino. Preborn is a 501c3 organization.
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic.
Still some stop-and-go traffic on the Bay Bridge. 80 westbound, now the metering lights are off. There's no way at the pay gate. However, traffic is slow from Treasure Island to around Highway 101. 101 northbound before Whipple in Redwood City. We have an SUV that hit the center divide. It is now over on the right shoulder. You're slow from Woodside Road. I'm in the Benicia Bridge, 680 northbound at the toll plaza. A truck is involved in an accident. DHP has called for a tow truck. That's traffic. I'm Katie Green.
This report is sponsored by the California DMV. Did you know that many DMV tasks, like renewing your registration or changing your address, can be done online when it's convenient for you? Check them off your to-do list without a trip to the DMV. Get started today at dmv.ca.gov/online.
Now here's something you don't hear much about guys on the radio anymore. He's live, he's unscripted, he's unrehearsed, he's Greg O'Donnell, and he's your personal financial advisor. Greg's not trying to sell you a book, and he's not so big and important that he'll be sending you to an offshore phone bank in a different time zone. And he's on at 11 every Saturday. Oh, and did I mention he's live? It's the Greg O'Donnell Financial Hour, Saturday morning at 11 on 560 KSFO.
Are you ready? Because it's about to get real. Modern Pleasure answers the questions about sex that you've always wanted to ask.
Join me, Kim K, and our resident sexpert, Dr. Jenny Schuyler, as we dive deep into combos ranging from sexual intimacy and pleasure to eye-opening sexual revelations.